Hi friends, good morning. Today I am going to share how to calculate footing quantity. Everybody knows what is the meaning of quantity. Quantity for a box. What is the value? What is the volume of box? L into B into H. That's it. Okay. What is we know the L value, we know the B value, we know the H value. Substitute the values and multiply those values, and finally you got a volume of box. Okay, what is the volume? How to calculate volume of box? Length into breadth into thickness. We know the values. Okay, multiply the values and then finally you got a box quantity. But what is my question now? How to calculate isolated footing quantity? What is my question? How to calculate isolated footing quantity? Okay, everybody knows that this is the isolated footing quantity. Isolated footing means what? It has some slope. Okay, that is the isolated footing. Now to calculate the isolated footing quantity, must and should we want to know formula for the isolated footing quantity formula. What is the formula? V is equal to H by 3 into A1 plus A2 plus root over A1 into A2. Okay, everything is fine, but here what is here H means depth of the footing, total depth of the footing. Okay, that's fine. What is the A1? A1 means footing area. What is the footing area? Length into breadth. What is the length here? 2 meters. Width 3 meters. Multiply those two values and you got a footing area. And what is the column area? Column area means what is the breadth, what is the length. We know the values and multiply those values and you got a column area, that is A2. We know the H, we know the A1 and A2. Those values substitute in this equation, and finally you got a isolated footing quantity. Here what is the major importance? Formula. Okay, remember this formula. Okay, remember this formula and remember this formula to simply calculate the isolated footing quantity. Okay, thank you. Now I give the values and find out the quantity and what is the quantity of this footing. Reply to me how much value you got, calculate and reply to me. Okay, here I will give the values. Okay, those values substitute in this equation and you calculate and reply to me. Okay, thank you everyone, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.